Now we are going to understand the question number 3, and it is the last question of exercise 12.2 of chapter Heron's formula. In this question number 3, we have a figure, and in the question number 3, we have figure that there is a shape of aeroplane, and this aeroplane is made by cutting the paper sheet. So basically, we have to find the area of the whole part given in that figure. That is one, second, third, fourth, and fifth. This type of the part is given in it. The first part is an isosceles triangle, and we have to calculate the area of total paper which is used to make this aeroplane. The first now for first part. The first part is an isosceles triangle. We can calculate the area of this triangle by the Heron's formula because sides are given. So A is equal to 5 centimeter and B is equal to 5 centimeter again, and C is equal to 1 centimeter. Since the semi-perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2, semi-perimeter is 5 plus 5 plus 1 divided by 2, semi-perimeter is equal to 10, 11 by 2. That is centimeter. It is the semi-perimeter for the first part. Now by using Heron's formula, area of part first is equal to root of s minus of A, s minus of B, and s minus of C. What is S? S is 11 by 2, 11 by 2 minus 5, 11 by 2 minus 5, and it is also 11 by 2 minus of 1. So it is 11 by 2, it is 10, 1 by 2, it is 5 to the 10, 1 by 2. We are solving by cross multiplying, it is 9 by 2. So it will be the pair of 2 exists in the denominator, so 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 will come outside the square root. It will be 11 into 9. Square root of the 9 is 1 by 2 into 2, 1 by 4, 3, and square root of 9 is 3, and it is root of 11. That means 3 by 4 into root of 11, and the square root of the 11 is 3 by 4 multiplied by 3.317, approx 3.317. So it will be 3 7s are 21, carry 2, 3 1s are 3 or 2, 5, 3 3s are 9, and 3 3s are 9. 9.951, and it is divided by 4. If we divide 9.951 by 4, then we will get 4 2s are 8, 1, 4 4s are 16, it will remain 3, 4 8s are 32, it will remain 3, 4 8s are 32, but 4 7s are 28, so it will be 3 again. So 4 7s are 28, it will again. So it will be 2.487 approx. So we will calculate the approx value 2.48880 nearest to the 77. So if we divide 9.951 by 4, then what the value will be remain? What is the answer? 2.488 centimeter square. It is the area of the first part. So we will write here first part area is 2.488 centimeter square. Now again we will come to the part second. It is the first part, and we will come to the part second. For part second is a rectangle. Area is equal to length into breadth. It is part second. Length is 6.5 multiply breadth is 1 centimeter. So it is 6.5 centimeter square. It is the area of second part. Area of third part. The third part is a trapezium, in which two parallel sides are 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter, whereas the non-parallel is also 1 centimeter. So how can we find the area? Area basically can be find by using the area of trapezium, but area of trapezium is 1 upon 2 into sum of parallel side into height, but we don't have a height of the trapezium. So first we will draw a parallel line to this line in the trapezium. By that way, this side it will make a parallelogram. If we name the A, B, C and D, then ABCD parallelogram and it is E. Then E is BC will be a triangle and the one side it is the total 2 centimeter in which AB is 1, then DC is also 1 centimeter and CE is also 1 centimeter. By the parallelogram property, if AD is 1, then it is also 1 centimeter BCE. Draw a perpendicular from B to DE, B to DE and it is BM. It is BM 1 centimeter. It is BM perpendicular and basically it is the height of the trapezium. So from the figure फिगर से पता चलता है कि इसकी साइड 1 1 और 1 है और 1 1 1 हो गया. इसका मतलब ये क्या हो गया, एक आइसो से एक इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल हो गया. ट्राइंगल BCE इज विच टाइप ऑफ इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल. इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल की हाइट होती है, हाइट ऑफ इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल हाइट इज इक्वल टू √3/2 इंटू साइड. ये होता है √3/2 इंटू साइड हाइट ऑफ इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल. तो इसका मतलब हो गया √3/2 इंटू व्हाट इज साइड, साइड इज 1, देयरफॉर √3/2 centimeter is the height. And this BM is also a height for the trapezium. So we can calculate area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is equal to, from that portion we will write area of third part is equal to 1/2 into sum of parallel sides into height. 1/2 into sum of parallel side is, parallel is 1 and 2, 1 plus 2 multiply √3/2. Height is √3/2. It is height for the triangle equilateral and also for the trapezium. 1/2 into 3 into √3/2, basically 3 √3 divided by 4. So 3 multiply √3, value of √3 is 1.732 divided by 4. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 7 are 21, 3 and 1 2, 5 हो जाए 5.9196 divided by 4. That is 4 1s are 4. It will remain 1. It will be 11. 4 2s are 8. 3 will remain. 4 9s are 36. 3 will remain. And 4 9s are 36. If we divided the 5.196 by 4, then 1.299 centimeter square will be the area of third part. Second part area is 6.5. Third part area is 1.299. And in the last, we will calculate the area of fourth part. Area of fourth part. Fourth part is a right angle triangle because this side is perpendicular and it is the base. So we will calculate the right angle triangle. Area is 1/2 into base into height. 1/2, what is base? 1.5 into height is 6. 3s are. It will be 4.5 centimeter square. Similarly, area of fifth part is also 1/2. From that part we will write here. Which area? Area of fifth part is also 1/2 into base into height. 1/2, what is base? 6.5. Base is 1.5 and height is 6. So 2 3s are 15, 3s are 45. It will be 4.5 centimeter square. Now we have calculated all the area of 5 parts. Now total area of paper used for making this aeroplane is equal to, what will be the area? The first is 2.488, second is 6.5, third is 1.299, fourth is 4.5 and fifth is also 4.5. So 4.5 and 4.5 will be 9. So total area, that is 2.488 and it is 6.5, and it is 1.299, and it is 9. 4.5 and 4.5, 9. Total area 9 and 8, 17. 9 and 8, 17. 1, 18. Carry 1, 4 or 1, 5, 5, 10 or 2, 12. Carry 1, 2 or 1, 3. 3 and 6, 9 and 1, 10, and it is 19. 19.287. Once again we will add 9 and 8, 17. Carry 1, 8 and 1. 9 and 9, 18. Carry 1, 4 or 1, 5, 5, 10. 10 and 2, 12. Carry 1, 2 or 1, 3. 3 and 6, 9, 9, 18 or 1, 19. That is equal to 19.287 centimeter square. So it is the required area. It is the required area for the paper which we have to use to make this aeroplane. Okay, we have finished the question number third of exercise 12.2. It's the question number third of exercise 12.2. By that way, we have finished this chapter completely, and no one question is remain, and you have to do all the example in the homework. Okay,